pause is up. You can choose any one of your characters. If people decide to follow you and you follow me back, you will have these characters to follow. I followed David the animator. Of course, no story is complete without your character. Choose one! I'm David the animator. Okay, good. After you choose your character, you can animate it with all sorts of movement. Let's make David wave to us, just to say hello again. Perfect. You probably don't like your character, as it may be default. But hey, let's edit it a little bit. This is the default character I got. Tysonanimation decided that he wanted to make this look like his sister, Ginger. We are going to change the color. Ginger is this color of beige. Click that, and of course you don't need to choose the colors I choose. And also, your avatar will change color. Let's click here. I'm pointing at it right now. I quite like the ears I already got, so I won't mess with it. Next comes eye. Some eyes you have to pay for with any coins, but don't worry, there's plenty of eyes to use if you don't have them. I don't really like this eye color or the eye at all, so I will buy my new eye with any coins. Next is eyebrows. The eyebrows I already got is pretty accurate. Next is nose. The nose I got isn't quite good, so I'm going to change it. But like I said, you don't need to copy what I do. There are plenty of noses you can use. Next is mouth. I'm going to change the style of mouth I have. Next is head. I'm not a fan of this head, so I'll change it. There's also some heads you have to pay for, with any coins though. There's also a tail, but I don't have a screenshot of that, but I'll show you the finishing piece. Oh, and to get the tail, you just swipe across the places with head, eyebrows, eyes. Perfect. Okay, next thing you should know about Anitales. Changing your character's clothes. You may like the clothes you have on, but you may dislike them. I love the clothes I have on, but I want to change the shoes. This is how. Click on your character. Click dress up. Scroll through every little bit of the outfit. Some you have to pay with any coin. I'll show you how to add frames now. That will be showed in part 2.
Hope you enjoyed. Please follow me at tysonanimation.